What is up po sa inyong lahat? Hello beautiful vlogs TV subscribers and supporters all over the world. Mega shout out to our fellow super YouTuber, Nan Suzette Angel and 20 Emo G. How are you doing today po? For those who are new to my channel, my name is Jason. I am the creator of Vlogs TV YouTube channel. I am a teacher here in the Philippines, a YouTuber, and a road safety advocate as well. I want to share my vlogs to everyone who might find my content useful. I talk about educational topics like educational vlogs, health vlogs, moto vlogs, and paranormal vlogs. If you like my content today, please do click on that red subscribe radio button on YouTube and please click on the notification bell as well to get updated on my latest uploads. You can find more of my contents on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram as well. Are you looking for vlogs about Yamaha Aerox? If that is so, this vlog is what you've been looking for. Content. The Yamaha Aerox is a lineup of single-cylinder scooters made by Yamaha since 1997, available in either 50cc or 100cc for the European market, and 125cc or 155cc for the Southeast Asian market with several different body designs. In Europe, slight changes were made in 2003. The Aerox was renamed Aerox R and the 100cc model was discontinued. The two-stroke 50cc model was updated with a new exhaust tachometer and a new type of ignition and CDI. In 2013, Yamaha launched the updated Aerox with a completely new design and the introduction of the Aerox Naked and Aerox 4, equipped with 4-stroke engines. The liquid-cooled 4-stroke 2-valve 125cc model of the Aerox was launched in Indonesia in January 2016 under the name Aerox 125LC. It had a claimed power output of 11.3 HP, 8.4 kW, at 9,000 RPM and 10.4 Nm, 7.7 lb-ft, of torque at 6,500 RPM. It was only sold in Indonesia and discontinued 10 months later due to low demand. This model was succeeded by the 155cc Aerox 155. This new version of the Aerox was unveiled at Sepang International Circuit in Malaysia in October 2016. It is the most powerful version of the Aerox. It is powered by either liquid-cooled 4-stroke 4-valve 125cc, unrelated to the engine used in Indonesian-only Aerox 125LC, or bored-up 155cc blue-core engine equipped with variable valve actuation that produces a claimed power output of 11.8 HP, 8.8 kW, or 15 HP, 11 kW. These engines are shared with the nmax or nmax. It is sold under the Aerox 155 name in Indonesia and Thailand. Neo Aerox 155 in the Philippines, NDX 155 in Malaysia, and NDX 125-155 in Vietnam. Outro. Well, I hope you guys like my video today. Please share your thoughts about my topic today in the comments section and I'm gonna do my best to read them and make an immediate reply to each of you. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Cheers to the growing number of YouTube subscribers who keep on inspiring me to create more educational contents. If you feel like, for some reasons, this vlog was able to help you, kindly hit that red subscribe button and click on the bell that should appear next to it. Thank you very much for all of your relentless support.